Hi YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the daily hacks of baking soda. Please smash the like button. This will mean a lot. Tip number 1. Soothe insect bites. Mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with some drops of water until a thick, smooth paste is shaped. Apply to the affected region, leave this for about 10 minutes, then wash away with warm water. Tip number 2. Hand and foot softener. To scrub away dirt and odors, blend baking soda with heat water and rub it on your hands and feet. This national hand purifier will leave your palms clean and smooth. Tip number 3. Deodorant. Dust a powder of bicarbonate of soda gently under hands to help reduce frame scent. As a deodorant, bicarbonate of soda is understood to take in odors. Tip number 4. Reduces cold and flu. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of cold water and drink. People who use baking soda often seem to be more immune to colds or flu. Tip number 5. Sunburn relief. Soaking your sunburned skin in a mixture of baking soda and water will be a massive relief. Soak in a warm bath that includes 150 ml of baking soda. You can also mix it into your favorite body lotion to calm a sunburn. Tip number 6. Bath soak. To soften rough skin, soak your feet in baking soda for about 10 minutes. Bicarbonate of soda will also help neutralize acids and removes excess skin oils. Tip number 7. Decreases inflammation. A lot of the time inflammation are caused by a high amount of acids. Baking soda reduces the inflammation. Tip number 8. Teeth whitener. Create your own paste by adding teaspoon of baking soda and mix with water. Use the paste by rubbing the paste to your teeth. Let the paste sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing your mouth. The baking soda will kill bacteria and whiten your teeth. Tip number 9. Remove splinters. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl of warm water and soak your finger. Leave your finger in the bowl for 8 to 10 minutes. This will soften the skin and remove a splinter easily. Tip number 10. Enhances workout. Lactic acid happens due to muscle soreness after exercising. Baking soda absorbs the acid and helps with the muscle soreness. Tip number 11. Antacid. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and drink. This will neutralize the aches and relieve heartburn, acid indigestion or sour stomach. Tip number 12. Energy boost. Baking soda releases certain hormones that increase energy. Tip number 13. Healthy kidneys. Baking soda clean your body of toxins and keep your kidneys healthy. Please smash the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments section on your favorite tip. Thank you for watching.